Hi everyone, I suppose you landed here because your student is in my first hour 3D design class. My name is Jay Dukart, aka Duke, and I've been at Rocky Mountain High School now. This is my 25th year. I'm super psyched to be a Lobo. I love Rocky Mountain High School, and I love teaching art classes. You'll notice that down on the bottom I put my office telephone number as well as my email address, which are probably the best ways to get in touch with me if you ever want to reach out, say hi, talk about grades, or to see what's going on in the class. 3D design is a super cool beginning design art course at Rocky. It's first quarter long class, about 9 weeks, 9 to 10 weeks. Students get to explore different tools, techniques, and media to create three-dimensional forms like sculpture and pottery and some hand building techniques. And the main thing stressed is creative problem solving skills, which is one of the best things to be able to add to a tool belt. Again, at any time, you can reach out to me at my office number 970-488-7168 or my email address at jdugart@psdschools.org. I'm super excited to have your student in class, and I'm super glad that we're all together as we start this school year. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.